understand last time I said toast is the worst breakfast, but if there's one thing in my life that has absolutely changed everything for me, it's not getting my bike, it's not, what else is it now? It's the bread maker. Literally look at this. Beautiful cranberry bread. And so in that regard, toast is a fine breakfast. If it's homemade bread. Besides that, there's a hair. There's a hair in my bread. I guess that's the downside of homemade bread. Some people from my last video say I looked lonely. I can assure you, I'm chilled by myself. But you know, some people always need to be around people. And I think one of my most important virtues is the virtue of independence. And just being able to like, spend time by yourself and be content by yourself and happy just by yourself. So I'm not lonely. Although I am filming my day and talking to a camera. Maybe it's a cry for help. But I'm not lonely. Thank you for your concern though. One New Year's resolution I made at the start of this year is to not talk about the weather, because it's such a pet peeve of mine when I get into a conversation with someone else and the first thing you come to is like, it's been so nice recently, has it? And that might be true. But just like, come on, there has got to be other things to talk about. Having said that, it's bloody beautiful. How do normal people drive here? Oh my god, I'm a bit dizzy. I wore this yesterday, but I also didn't go out yesterday or pretty much do anything. So can I like wear this again? Does it really count? I don't know. The bins did get put out. Another reason I'm making one of these videos is I just feel like over the past few months, I haven't been making stuff, I haven't felt happy, and I just know that last week when I was like filming and stuff, I just felt good. And so I'm back. And the sun is like, do you guys believe in sun sneezing? I'll prove it to you. Come on. Oh god, it's biting me. One moment. Damn it, I can't do it. Holy shit, I did it. Superpower. Okay, we're ready to move on now. I think I kind of used and abused my superpower, and now I feel a bit like, ugh, you know, that shit. But that's all good. Big day ahead. I used mouthwash this morning. Not usually a part of my morning routine. I don't know what the hype's about. It's expensive. You know, you go to the dentist, they give it to you, but now my mouth just like stings. I feel like I've drunk some sort of like acid. Anyway, I'm filming with a friend today. Excited for that. Apparently there's good surf as well. Although it's freaking cold, but when it's good surf, I just kind of have to go. So I finished my filming. It was really good. But now, I've still got that bloody taste in my mouth of the mouthwash. It's like, it's midday, it's 12 o'clock. Anyway, so I'm gonna wash it down with some food. Don't think I have much at home though, so I'm gonna go to the supermarket. One of my favorite things in life, guilty pleasure, maybe not even guilty, just a pleasure. I love going to the supermarkets and just like trying to get the most cost efficient meal. Doing it overseas is a lot more exciting because you got all these different foods you've never seen before, but I do it here too. I take my pleasures everywhere. Meal deal acquired. Whoa. I got mixed feelings about this meal deal. I'll just show you what I've got. We have a carrot. Nature's toothbrush. You know how saying my mouth just like stings and tastes disgusting? This will cleanse that off that. I genuinely think, let me think about this before I say it. I think I could just eat a carrot every morning instead of brushing my teeth. An orange, a no-nonsense mandarin. Now I'm kind of kind of ashamed of buying these. I'm not even gonna eat them all, but they impress me of how cheap they are every time. This is 99 cents. A whole damn box of wafers. And they're good. Don't know how good they are for you, but 1.5 star health rating. Alas, I bought them anyway. And we got a chia butter bun. That's pretty nice. That's a decent bun. Oh. And then I saw these. I've never tried them before. They might be terrible. It also, I think it's potentially baby food because it says 10 months. Which I guess I am technically older than 10 months. Total cost was, this is where I'm kind of ashamed. It cost $4.23. That seems like a lot. All right, let's go eat it. Brush my teeth first. It's kind of extremely unfortunate, but I'm pretty sure it's cheaper just to like travel than to live in New Zealand. Is that normal? I don't know, but it makes me think. This carrot, I could be getting it way cheaper if I was in Algeria, but I guess I shouldn't dictate my life on where carrots are cheapest. I like to read. I read quite a lot. This is what I'm reading at the moment. The problem with reading, well, the problem with my reading, is that I feel like I read so many books about random, like, historical things and a lot of good stuff, but it kind of just, like, goes in one ear and out the other, but I get through it. I feel like I did a good job of, like, rekindling my reading. I think everyone always says, like, yeah, in primary school, we used to read heaps, blah, 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 but then I just stopped, and I don't know. But I think what I did is I, like, made a goal one year of, like, I'm gonna read 26 books this year, which is one every 2 weeks. Not, like, pretty doable. And I did it, and now I just keep doing it. Reading's important, reading's good. I can't tell if I love these or I hate these. Whoa. It's actually really good throughout the whole week. You know when you kind of don't want to do something, but then it's like, it's so good that you can't pass off the opportunity? And then... Something I don't like about filming these videos is that I'm filming a lot about, here's my towels, and here's my wetsuit, and here's my rash top. And it's like, it's kind of getting in the way of me just going off the surf. Surfing's something I've done my entire life, but I've never felt that I've been like that good at it. However, start of this year I've just been like surfing more, and I kind of feel like I'm pushing into the intermediate level now. It's one of those things, it's just like, it's so therapeutic and rewarding just to be out in the ocean, and makes me feel happy and, you know, moving around, and I'm really reinforcing my blonde hair stereotype here. Huh. Look at that frickin' jelly! Jelly, man, just like jelly. This is what it's all about. So, it's good to be out here. Someone lose their banana? Holy moly! Now I'm freaking fired up and I got like a million things to say. First one, I'm a pretty big believer in just, you can just like flick a switch and start acting away and start having like some sort of habit. Or not habit, but like to face a fear or something. There's a switch that you can flick. One of the switches I don't know how to flick is the one that makes you not get cold. Literally, I'm a grown man and I sit in the water and I like shiver. I just like chattering teeth, the full 9 yards, man. My like skin's purple and my teeth are chattering and I'm like, How do I stop that? Look how freaking yellow my finger is. It's not normal. What was the other things I was gonna say? Another thing that I was thinking about as I was like lining up the shot for just after I'd finished surfing, I was like, you know, this video kind of seems like just a big marketing ploy for my car. Like I feel like it's just in so many shots, and yeah. And I am selling my car if anyone's interested. The question is, so I'm going out for dinner tonight, do I shower again? That's twice in a day. Or is the ocean pretty much just a big shower? Well, believe it or not, I found myself back at Pack and Sack twice in one day, which honestly isn't, that's hard, wait, I could just say, it's a common occurrence. And it feels kind of awkward, like I kind of feel like the people recognize me or like know me. It's like, why does this guy always coming in again for a carrot? But what a day, huh? What's gonna happen next? My flatmate tested positive, so there you go, my dinner plans. I guess I'll end on a cliffhanger.